guys, welcome to my video. So for today, we are going to be doing a study with me vlog. So first up, we are going to get our materials for studying. There. Okay, there are many subjects to study, but for today, we are going to study one. It is okay. So first, what is a radical? There are three parts in a radical. The x here, which is radical, the n, which is the index, and the square root, which is radical. Mismo radical. So a radical is what divides or makes hiwalay the index and the radicand. There are 5 lessons in studying radicals. There is the simplifying radicals, the addition and subtraction of radicals, the multiplication of radicals, and the division of radicals. But for today, we are going to be studying multiplication of radicals. Okay, first example of a radical is this: square root of 3 times the square root of 2, which is equal to the square root of 6. Why? Because square root of 2 and the square root of 3 both has square roots. Therefore, you can just times them both. 3 times 2, which is 6, then copy the radical. Therefore, the answer is the square root of 6. Diba? Yes. But if you say the example is 2 times the square root of 3, that's when you can times them both. Therefore, the answer will be just 2 and the square root of 3. Next example in multiplying radicals is this. Yes, which is 3 root square root of 7x times square root of 5y. Okay, first up is get LCD of the Hey guys, so in the next few clips, please excuse that disturbing water stain. Matutuyo din yan guys. Mandala kayo. This is, which is 6, and then copy the square root. After that, you will divide the index of 6 to the index here first. So 6 divided by 3 is 2. Therefore, you will copy 7x down there, and then put a xoxo, then put a squared, and multiply it by this part, which is 6 divided by 2, which is 3. So you will now put 5y, xoxo, then cube. Next step. So you have that part na. You will distribute the square to 7 and the square to the x, and do the same part to the 5y. So the answer will be 49x squared times 125y cubed. So now multiply them both. 49 times 125 is 6,125. X squared times y cubed cannot be, so you will just copy 2 variables down. So it will be 6,125 x squared y cubed. So that's the answer. 6 root square root of 6,125 x squared y cubed. And then after that, you check if it can be simplified more. So we will do a prime factorization. 6,125, the prime factors of it is here. Here is the prime factor 3. Then factors of 6,125 is 7 squared and 5 cubed. There are no numbers that are raised to 6. Therefore, there is no more simplifying in the answer. So the final answer is this na. Yes! So guys, alam naman natin kung bakit tayo nag-aaral ngayon, why we are studying at this moment, at this second. It is because this following week will be exam week. So, study hard tayo. Yes, kaya natin to. Good luck sa atin. Okay.
Okay, kain na tayo! Sarap na ulam!
Wait lang. Pin na ako outro. So, thank you for watching. I hope you will learn something sa pinagtuturo ko. I hope you had fun, no? Study with me. Pati ikaw. Yan. So that's all, guys. See you next time.
Walang naiintindihan.
That I'm